People, here in Pittsburgh, we got a place called Hook Fish and Chicken. All right, and this is going to be a quickie. I just wanted to show y'all this. I'm at Hook's Fish and Chicken. It's over here by Walmart. And I'm telling you what, I don't know what they do to it, but their chicken, fish is delicious. And they sell just about anything: shrimp, oysters, fish, chicken, wings, tenders, you name it. And delicious desserts. And I'm going to show you a quick look at this. I just bought this, and I've been wanting to show you this for a while. Here it is. This is the smallest one they have. It's a 3-piece. And see that right there? Look how good that looks. Oh, my God. And you see, you get the wings. And it's usually, let me open that up for you. Usually only supposed to be 3 pieces, but they throw in 4th piece sometimes for you. Four wings for you, and they give you plenty of fries. And then, if you look closely, there's a special type of sauce they have on it, right? Now that sauce, a special type of seasoning. That seasoning is the bomb. Okay, they sell that seasoning, but I'm telling you, somehow the way they cook it on the food is delicious. All right, let me give you one more shot at that. I know y'all want to see it. Let's see if I can bring that up to you, baby. All right, and again, that's Hook Fish and Chicken, and here it is right there. Ooh, look at that, man! Look at this. Oh, look how crispy and yummy that looks. The things I'm gonna do to this after I get off this film. This was a quickie, so I want you to subscribe, give me a comment, let me know some cool places you like to eat. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either way you cool with me. And I'll rap to you later. Look at that. Look. Look at that. Dang. Again, Hook, Fish, and Chicken, baby. Peace out.